Yo, what's up, Scooter fam? It's me again, Old Man Roman, and I'm back with another video for maybe a while. It's been ages, years, I think. Oh, today I'm going to do a little unboxing since package came in, a familiar package, a familiar package. So, the package is right. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna need this Swiss knife. So I'm going to start opening the box. I'll be back. And I'm back. Got this one.
What's nice here is that instead of just being a black wall, it has texture. And also that shaded area on the mid must be lovely when it gets hot, which it really does here in Miami, doesn't it? Yeah. This is the Sunshine State. This has us to deal with the heat of the tropics, as well as providing a range of living spaces with completely contrasting qualities. Intimate, private, open and extrovert.
2 boxes.
But in essence it's quite simple. 2 stacked rectangular blocks set at right angles. The 60-meter long ground floor contains all the private spaces. 4 bedrooms and open
what we have here.
a living room and a master bedroom as well as a garage.
Power supply.
Above contains the main public spaces. A kitchen,
maybe you have an idea what's inside the box.
Enclosing the garden is a huge multi-purpose exhibition space or sports hall. And for a dramatic entrance, the curved
foot pedal.
rises above the garden.
There you go. A well packed package.
Do you know what that is? I think it's the proportion of these pieces of teeth that are only wide, right up all the way over the top and down. They're very, very
tons of needles.
So it exaggerates the sense of space. Plus, there's no structure in that entire area. There's nothing that
Another
goes down to a domestic
and
scale.
another.
It feels like a film set. Well, you know, you could easily have 30 extras in here playing, I don't know, people from the times. From Scarface, yeah,
Practice
something
game.
really glamorous and dramatic.
Manual. Fish.
Shall we?
Transfer gel.
Gorgeous kitchen. With its 7-meter long island, it's
Spring
certainly
bottle.
impressive. Which wouldn't ever be used. I don't think people in my
Like
have
men?
kitchens. I thought they just sent out for everything. I don't think it's ever going to see a chopping board. Ooh, I don't know. So this is a box. Within the
I don't know what's this called.
Look at how it's made.
Ink cap holder. Ooh, got 2 pairs.
Within the box, which is curious because it gives it a sense of scale. It's also people that have a sense of scale within the space because as the person diminishes, you'll find that the space increases.
Inks. Allen key, some rubber, orange, more rubber, and orange. Green soap.
This is actually an architect's joke. Do you think that was on purpose? Yeah, sure. This whole house, in terms of
Gloves.
is a piece of this. That's been set up to do.
Cups and 2 more needles.
It's a real piece of theatre.
Let's get to
will be someone's home.
the first box.
Downstairs. I'm not going to how it feels to live in.
Yes, this is Tati machine.
It's such a sparse
And
materials in this house.
I
On the
think
interior,
this
everything
is
either white,
the
stone or timber.
shader.
But instead of being some sort of punishment, some world of denial, it's actually incredibly rich and interesting.
That's it.
Two reasons. The first is that natural light comes in through these screens into the bedrooms in a really beautiful way. The other reason is that all of these bedrooms are connected to nature.
Liner.
And however beautiful materials are, they're never as beautiful as natural light.
Shader and liner.
The 5 ground floor bedrooms are linked by a 30-meter long corridor.
That's it.
This place is huge.
Wanna see the power supply?
Large private living room.
Let's see.
Upstairs is relatively small.
Next video will be the tests. I'll be testing it.
Enormous.
Power supply.
And the bath is pretty impressive too.
So I'll be back on the next video testing this on the practice skin. So I'll be back. I'll see you around. Hey Audrey, wanna be on my TikTok? I'm gonna do TikTok. You don't want to be on my TikTok? I don't want to put you on my TikTok.